The Journey of Mission to Mace. This is Mission to Mace podcast with Siriwich Khan.
Hello friends, it's me, Siriwich Khan. Cabin crews, prepare for takeoff. Please take your seat and fasten your seat belt. Enjoy. This episode of Mission to Mace podcast is Design Thinking for Startups EP04. Let's talk about it. The second task as team was redesign product, service. The product, service that we think should be improved or developed. The important thing of redesign is observation, to observe the experience of users from real place. Because we need to find a problem before develop or improve something for solving. Talk to users and understand how they feel. Bring user engage in conversation. I didn't forget to note down the important keyword. After getting the problem, the next step is to define it by using the HMV question, how might we? This question lead to answer that out of the box. We use the principles of design thinking process such as empathize, define, ideate, prototype and test. The dramatized presentation was the new experience from this task. We cannot use PowerPoint or any graphic presentation. The only thing that can use is performance. We have to tell the story by perform the situation, show how the problem and how we solve it. What is our solution? We represented the funeral situation. In the funeral, the day that no one want to remember. Some people cry, some people be sad. We tried to find the way to change the atmosphere of the funeral. To be a happy day that must remember. Every attendant won't forget that day. We provided the service that transforms the funeral area to the last wish of the dead person. We performed as Grandma's funeral. Grandma who loves to eat and make her favor. Her last wish is to let her family and friend try her ice cream. In her funeral, our team member gives ice cream to all of the attendants. The attendant ate Grandma's ice cream and feel happy. They will remember her ice cream favor. This service aims to reduce sadness in the funeral and let the dead person remembers forever. From this task, I learned how to use the only action to tell the story. It was a good chance to watch another team present their own product, service. Every team have a different purpose. Learning from another team helped me figure out our problem. Working as a team, our team still need to keep developing. We need to spend more time to communicate with each other. Brainstorming is importance process. As a team, we separated ourselves as 3 roles such as managing director, finance director and company secretary. Each position depends on our background and reflect our career aspiration. The role of managing director is to manage overall business. A managing director is a person who lead the team to make the decision. The second important role is finance director. Finance is a key factor for driving business. The role of the finance director is to manage money and fund. Moreover, finance director control cost and conduct income for the business. The last role is the company secretary. This role is to connect all member by set up the meeting. Furthermore, secretary has to record report from the meeting, then update to all members to maintain the direction of the company. Thank you very much for spending your time listening to our Mission to Mace podcast. Don't forget to subscribe to our podcast and catch our next episode. We have a lot of good stuff there. See you.